What's up, people? It's Triple L TV, and I'm here again with another topic on how to speak Jamaica patwa. Yeah, the basics. Yeah, going into this. So yeah, because I know a lot of people don't really understand on how to speak Jamaican patwa, and a lot of people don't understand the accent by itself. So you know, kick it off today, like some people learn and see what go on the accent and them thing they come know it's Patwa is a breaking down English. I mean, so yeah. So we got to kick it off. The first thing I'm going is me I got a door. Me I go outside. Me I got a door. Yeah. Me I got a door. Go door. Me I got a door. Go door. That simply means I'm going outside. I'm going outside. I'm going outside to take a piss. I'm going outside to take a drink. I'm going outside. Oh yeah. I'm gonna leave my friend outside. So yeah, outside. So me what Jamaican say, me I got a door. When the correct way in English, I'm going outside. The next one, I know me. I know me was somebody else. I know me. I know me. I know me take away. I know me eat your food. I know me. I know me do it. Somebody else. I know me look for me good. I know me. Which mean that's not me. You have to tell the person. I know me do the crime. I know me do this. I know me do that. So yeah, that's not me. The correct way to say it in English. The next word, boy. Boy, you go boy. Cause long man call a boy, boy. The correct way to say it in English is boy. Yeah. You use a little boy, so keep your backside quiet, cause you're a little boy. Yeah. And the next one, gyal. Cause long man I call a gyal. Gyal I take my fool a gyal. Yo, I shouldn't even know a gyal. Which it mean is girl is a character in English, which means girl. And this one, I must say, know a lot of people familiar with it, with this word, blood clot. A lot of people want to learn this word. Who don't know it, a lot of people want to learn this word. They don't know why, but no. But this word, if you know it, keep it to yourself. And if you say it to nobody, make sure you and a friend, you and a person is the best friend. Don't go about on the road and just say that word because you know it's a Jamaican word. Oh yeah, I know a Jamaican accent. No, that's a bad word to say to someone. I mean, so yeah, don't say it. Keep it to yourself when you say it to a best friend as a joke. The next one, chatty. Me I know them boy, them man that chat too much. We cannot talk with them man that too chatty man. Man talk too much man. The correct in English is the overall targetive of the point of irritation. Say man chat too much and talk too much. And when you talk too much, you reach your point, you feel irritated just by hearing the voice. So yeah, just by hearing the voice, yeah, irritated. So yeah, talk too much. Overall tip, talkative. The next one, them boy, them girl, all of them. Yeah, that simply mean in English, them, all of them. Them like THEM, yeah, them, which is English, and in Patwa we say them, DEM, them. So yeah. Next one, dirty. John no style. Who a man clothes dirty man lean up on the wall. Watch it. Who a man clothes dirty up yo. Put on my white pants. Who I dirty up. Yeah, the correct way to say that in English is dirty. All my clothes are dirty. So I'm gonna wash all my dirty clothes. So yeah. Next one, tree. A lot of people here, when I said tree, they mean the tree outside, but no, I'm talking about the number 3. So correct way to say it in English is 3. Is it 3, 3, yeah. So the correct way to say tree is 3. Next word, wataguan. That's simply an ask man the wataguan. What am I do? When did? That seems mean what's up, how are you? Or like how are you doing? What's up? Which is the correct way. And then you have another one, say, where y'all go? That simply ask person, where are you going? Yeah. And the last one now, soon forward. Simply means a person say, Magoga says soon forward. So I think that was it. And the basics on how to speak Jamaican Patwa. And check your boy out on the next video. You are soon forward on the next video. So make sure you like, you subscribe and everything, and make sure you comment and let me know what go on, what accent you learn, if you like it or not. So let me know what go on. You are Triple TV soon forward. Peace.